What is an IUL? What is a life insurance, first of all? Don't skip this video, because if you're skipping this video, you're going to miss something really, really valuable. What is a life insurance? Most people think of life insurance as, I have to die to use it. That's what most people think of it. So why do I need life insurance? I don't care about who's coming behind me. I'm already struggling, that if I'm struggling, they should struggle too. We're going to carry this burden for the rest of our life. That's what most people think about when they hear life insurance. But that's not the case. First of all, not all life insurance are created equally. What I'm talking about are two main chassis, whole life and IUL. These are the two main ones that are something called permanent policies. They have something called cash value and living benefits. So think of it as you're contributing into this policy, it's building equity for you. Do you own a mortgage? Do you own a car? Same thing. As you're paying the car payment, as you're paying this mortgage payment, it's building equity for you. So when you trade that car in, when you sell that mortgage or you sell your house, now you have a sum of money that you can use towards your next house, towards your next vehicle. Think of that as the same thing as an IUL. That IUL or that life insurance, Index Universal Life, or that whole life policy has equity. This equity is gonna be yours when you need it. So a lot of people use this equity to create pension plans for themselves, pension or defined plans for themselves, which allows them to retire with all this pension not being taxed. Because in a life insurance, it's not an investment. It is a life insurance. Because it's not an investment, the IRS doesn't consider any growth in a life insurance to be taxable to you. So when you take money out, you take it out as a loan. And because they're taking a loan out, they're taking that portion of that loan from the death benefit. So meaning that you don't leave anything behind for that person coming behind you. You could, bear in mind, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. You're pulling that cash that you've built over time to help you live while you're in your later part of your life. This is why I think people need to understand what life insurance does and understand that life insurance is not the same. And yes, you may have the wrong life insurance, or you don't know what kind of life insurance you have. The only way you're going to know is to review your policy. And why does this work out so well? Because a lot of times you get rate of returns that are more than what the bank gives you. Can you believe that? The bank that gives you 0.09%, life insurance you get in about 4 or 5%. So I want you guys to reach out to me, because this is a conversation that needs a little bit more, and I need to explain to you why it makes sense, or if it does make sense, why do you not have one? DM us. Shirley Lewin Associate. We've been around for about 25 years, and we know what we do, so don't stay behind or don't be left behind.